Awesome. It helps you see your work well. Okay. Wow. Interesting. This is good. Okay. Wow. But you don't touch the steer. It just go by itself. Automatic. Wow. Keep it line just like this. You drive with this joystick.
Kilometer 3.7.
Right.
I go this.
Mm-hmm.
I go slowly.
Right.
So,
Wow. All with this.
and this pedal system, the pedals.
What else is there below? Uh-huh.
I go
Oh, it's on this side. Oh, interesting. The two?
always all two is automatic.
Okay. So the two automatic balance.
Pedals for that.
This here? Okay.
The wheels
Mhm.
up. I can steer with that.
You can stay with that. Wow. Some potatoes are harvested in the modern world. This is a two-row potato harvester. And it's doing the work, the job perfectly. It causes less bruises to the potatoes, and it's just lovely. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. Oh. The first one just took care of it. So I can cut it down. Beautiful. Wow. So how long have you been working as a farmer? 15 hectares. Wow. That's the man. That is the man with the machines. He's in total control of the machines. The potato harvester specialist. Wow.
Truckloads qua speed.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Now it's coming faster. Ah. And it's just checking it right from here. It's interesting. The right, left, front, and back. Dat zijn dit. En die goes far. For pasta. For speed and I slowly. Good. Very far. Ah. So in a day like this, how many hectares can you harvest?
A day?
Yeah, per day or per hour. You do per day or per hour?
One hectare in 2 hours.
1 hectare in 2 hours. Oh, you can check it here. The steering. You know where your tires, whether the tires are by scratching a potato or the field, you will know. And then you can now change. This is proper precision farming.
You can see the slope.
Right. How many times in a year do you grow potatoes?
500 euro. This machine is very expensive. 500,000 euros.
500,000 euros for this machine.
Very
Wow.
much.
Wow, very much expensive. That's 500,000 euros. Get this machine. And that's just a 2-row.
So expensive for a farm.
Very too expensive for a farmer. It's too expensive for an investment for a farmer. So does the company own this one? Then the farmer will rent it?
I think it's at least.
They lease it. Okay.
I work for a bar.
Okay.
Per uur I
Agric machinery. Okay.
my boss leaves this machine and I drive with
You
it.
drive it with it. So you train as an agricultural tractor operator.
I have cursus on this computer to
Yeah.
repair and I drive with it.
Okay. Wow. So I can see the tire. It's not hard. It's not too
I can
compact.
open up the
Yeah. Right.
I drive with
Okay.
I can
Can have to drive it.
pakken.
Now we have a lot of potatoes out there.
Automatic
To do that. Oh, so it spreads it as it goes. It
Yeah.
puts on and then wait. Wow. The beautiful harvester. So why else would I do?